Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to James Carpenter with Country Living. I know you haven't heard from me for a few days. I've been busy. I did a project without you though. I put together a stand to put my chop saw on, and I knew it was going to be a learning curve, so I didn't film it. I'm going to do 5 of these carts total, and this is the first one, and probably the only one that has to have a step down to put the saw in. So let me show you what I've been doing with this. Okay, so pretty much the saw is recessed down so that you can put boards all the way across and they're flush right here. I made a makeshift homemade drawer, and I want you to notice what I did in the back. That board is about a 1/4 inch short of hitting the top. So what happens is when you pull this out, you can pull it all the way out and just let it sit there. And if you're not using it, push it back in. Now this is kind of unique. These are curtain rod hooks, and they came out of some of that scrap I've been dragging home. And I do want to say that everything here, all this wood, angle iron, it's all scrap. Most of the screws were those screws you've seen in some of my other videos that I got for next to nothing. So basically, we've got the little drawer, we've got the pencil holder, which is made out of scrap materials, and then we got a place here. This is what you hang pictures with. I had some of those and some stuff I drug home, but it works perfect for putting the tape measure on there. This is a complete another cubby hole for any special tools. Now these bottom 2 shelves I will use for small pieces of lumber. I can stack them in there, and then if I need a little piece of wood, I've got it handy here. So let's walk around this a little bit. On the side of it, I mounted my speed squares for easy access. Basically 2 nails. And you just hang it up. Well, not like that. It gets hung up over here. All right, a little difficult to hold the camera and do all that. I put a little strap right here, keep that cord from getting in the way of the saw. Now the construction, again, scrap materials, those are 2x10s. There's 1, 2, 3. So there's a base, a 2x10, a base, a 2x10, and that's basically how it's constructed, and it's all put together. It's all put together with these pretty heavy duty lag screws. I put this little piece of plywood here so that when dust comes out of the chute, it hits here and it lodges it down underneath, and then it's easy for me to take the shop vac and sweep it out. Now the big thing about this is it's on rollers. Okay, so in some of that stuff I've drug home, that scrap, that base down there, I've got 5 of those total. And I've got plenty of this angle iron shelving. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make 4 more carts. I'll let you in on the next one I build, since I've got it down to a science now. This one here was kind of trial and error. I made a few mistakes, but I got them fixed. And this is how it turned out. So the reason it's on a roll around cart is because I want to be able to, when I'm not using the saw, you know, put it over there in the corner. And when I make the other 5 carts, I'll put the planer on one. No, that's not the planer. That's a whatever. I don't even know the name of it, but I know it's a useful tool. And then this planer will go on its own cart. And maybe this metal chop saw. But the idea is to get everything off of these tables, which this place is a wreck right now. I'm in the process of doing everything with those shelving units and organizing nuts and bolts and screws. It's been a big project, something I've been wanting to do for a lot of years, and I'm finally going to get it done. So with that being said, I apologize for not building it in front of you, but I'll guarantee it's a sturdy cart, and I can roll it into a corner and pull it out when I need it. I want to thank everybody for watching my videos, and have a great day.